baby on.
No. How about, let's do not Justin Bieber. Sing me another song. Sing me another song.
Baby.
No, sing me another one.
Like baby, blah 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 blah. Like baby, blee 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 blee. Like fun.
No, how about sing me a song you sing at school?
Mine, like baby, when you're 14.
Sing me Mr. Sun.
When you're 14. When you're 14. When you're first. When could you let? When you.
Sing me a song that you sing at school. Sing me Mr. Sun.
Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden, Mr.
Do you have the hiccup? Sing me Rain, Rain, Go Away. Alright, try it again. Say rain, rain. Rain, rain, go away.
Come again and.
If you keep trying to sing, maybe your hiccups will go away. Right. Alright, that's enough.